Meaning of embezzlement.
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 Embezzlement. Embezzlement refers to the act of dishonestly withholding or misappropriating assets that have been entrusted to someone's care, typically for personal gain. The result of embezzlement can be devastating to individuals and organizations, resulting in financial loss, damaged reputation, and legal consequences. Victims of embezzlement may experience feelings of betrayal and helplessness, particularly when the perpetrator is someone they trusted. Embezzlement can have far-reaching effects, leading to long-term financial and emotional repercussions for those involved. It is a serious crime that can result in severe penalties, including imprisonment and hefty fines.